Okay, welcome back to this session where we are going to add coins UI to our game. It's the first step before adding real coins into our game and be able to use them. All right, so let's open your photo editor right away and select the circle tool and create a nice circle, maybe 256 by 256. Perfect. And export it. All right, here we are back in Unity. Here is our circle. We can change the texture type to sprite as usual and apply this. Okay, so now we are going to create our first UI element in the menu panel. Okay, so let's maybe disable the game panel. Let's open the menu panel and create a new image that will contain our coin icon and the amount of coins we've got. Okay, so let's call it coins container maybe. Okay, perfect. Let's change the sprite to our rounded container because it's much cleaner, you know. Let's increase the width maybe. Here it is, by the way. Okay, so let's increase the width to something like this. Maybe we can diminish the height. And you can see that we have an issue here. It's not scaling properly because the height is less than the height of our rounded corners. So what we can do is maybe increase the height a bit. Okay, like so. I'm gonna make it black, but diminish the opacity, like so. Okay, then let's create a new image under it, and let's call it coin image. Okay, let's assign the circle as the source image for this, and we can make it yellow or orange, maybe yellow, it's better. Perfect. Then we can anchor it to the sides, to the left side of our container, like so. Perfect. Let's add a bit of padding here, and of course preserve the aspect. So let's maybe say 20 pixels on the top and 20 pixels on the bottom. Like so. Next, we want to add a text that will display the amount of coins we've got. So let's open the play button and duplicate the text. It's better because it's already set up with the font and alignment that we need. So let's drop it under our coins container. Select the anchor settings and anchor it to the right. Okay, perfect. Now we can rename it. So let's say coins amount. Cool. Let's press F on the scene to be able to see it and rescale it a bit, resize it a bit, like so. Perfect. So let's maybe write 548. Let's align it with the right of the container and move it a bit from the edge. Okay, cool. We can also make it white. Perfect. We now have set up our coins container for the menu. So let's drop it at the top right of the panel, like so. All right, we can press F to focus it again and bring it a bit down, maybe -100, like we've done for the settings icon. And yeah, I think it's pretty good right there. So let's duplicate it now and paste it into our game over panel and also in our level complete panel. Perfect. Now we will be able to see how many coins we've got in the game over and level complete. You know what? Let's add another one for the game panel too. Nice. Okay, now let's hit play just to see if that works. So now the menu panel is enabled. Let's hit play. We now have the game panel enabled. Perfect. And let's check if we can see it in the level complete panel. And we can see it. Perfect. Nice. In the next lesson, we are going to see how we can create another manager again to manage the amount of coins the player has. All right, so see you there.